Welcome back. So in this tutorial I will be explaining how we can create a HelloWorld application using Jetpack Compose. So for that I will be creating a new project. So in the Android Studio I will be creating a new project. So here we have options phone and tablet. So I will be creating this template empty activity for the Compose. This is a empty activity application using Compose. So I will be selecting this and press the next button. So here we can give I will change uh, the name of the application, Compose Hello World. Okay, so we can change the name of this package. So the location of this project will be here I will be changing the location. So I have this location here. I will create one application. Okay, so this Hello World sample application. So in minimalistic you can select the any of I am selecting as AP24. So okay, so then I am pressing the finish button. So the Android Studio will generate a set of code for you. Okay, so it is building. Now the build is happened, build is completed. Okay, so here we can see that Android Studio automatically generated a set of code for you. So right now I will be deleting all this generated code. Okay, so that I will show you from the scratch. Okay, I will type here. So I will be removing this everything. Okay, so this one also I will remove. Okay, okay. So here we have a set content, right? So if you are previously worked with Java, Android application development using Java or Kotlin before instead of XML based layout. So there we will be using set content view. Likewise, in the Compose, we will be using this set content method. Okay, so I will be defining a compose method. Okay, so we know that in the Jetpack Compose we will be using a series of composable function. Okay, so what is a composable function? It is just like a Kotlin function with the annotation composable. So I will be using the composable annotation. So this is a composable function. Then the keyword is like fun function, then function name. Okay, then I will name it as a hello world. Okay, so this is the hello world composable function. Since we are using this annotation, this is a composable function. So this, since this is a composable function, we can call this inside this set content called this block. The set content block we can call. So if I remove this one, what will happen? Okay, what will happen? Nothing is happening. Okay, that we can try later. Okay, so here I am using the hello world. Here I will create a text. Okay, I have to show a text view, right? So I will create a text. That is a text composable function. Okay, so in the text composable function we have so many parameters. So first of all we have to mention which text we need to show. Okay, so for that we have an attribute called text attribute. Then hello compose. Okay, we'll be typing hello compose. Okay, so in this I have created a composable function. Inside composable function I have created a text view. In that text view the content of the text view is hello compose. Then we can try to run this application. So let me run this application. in the emulator we can run. Yeah, so I am going to run this application. Okay, so we got this here. It is showing hello compose. Okay, you see, so we have hello compose, hello compose. Okay, okay, so here so I would like to because it is this text is showing on this status bar, so that is why we are able to see that cut in that area. So I will be adding one padding. So for adding the padding, so we can use the modifier. Okay, so the modifier is used to modify the composable. For example, if we want to add some padding, we have to use modifier. If we want to add some background, we can use modifier. So the modifier is nothing but to modify the composable, like we have a text view or button or edit text, anything. So we can modify the modify those. We can beautify or modify those composable components. Okay, so here I am using padding. So for that we can use modifier dot padding. So padding we can add start, stop, etc. So I will be adding padding top. Top is equal to 15 dot dp. Okay, and I will add padding start. Okay, start I will be adding some temp dot dp. Okay, so here I added like this some padding. Then let me run the application, rerun the application again. Okay, so here is now it is hello compose. So margin top 50 and start 10. Now we can add one more property, like I need to change the font as bold. Okay, for that we have another attribute. We can say that an attribute. Okay, if you are familiar with XML, we normally say that the attribute, right. Likewise we have the property or parameter we can add. What is that? We can mention it as a font weight. There is a property called font weight. Okay, font weight is equal to font weight dot. We have option like bold, normal, etc. So I will be using bold. Then we can rerun again. Okay, now it is bold, right? Then we can change the text size also. Okay, okay, so for that we will be using another property, font size. Okay, font size equal to some 25 dot sp. Okay, so let me rerun the application to see in action. Okay, so the size is increased, right? So in this here in this uh, topic, okay, in this for this tutorial, what we learned is like, so how to create hello world. So to create a hello world hello world application using the Jetpack compose, first of all we have to define a composable function. So we have created a composable function. It's a hello world function with the annotation composable. It's just a normal function. The keyword is like normal Kotlin function func. Then function name, then there is annotation composable. So instead composable, we will be creating, we will be calling other composable component. So text is a built-in component available as part of Jetpack Compose. Okay, if you go to here, you can it will redirect to the corresponding the class in that live compose library. So in this text we can add so many properties. So one of the main property is like is a text. What this should be the content of the text. here we can add text is equal to hello compose. The next property is modifier. This modifier is to modify the text content. Here we will be modifying. We have added the below property like padding. So here I need to add some 50 dp from the top and then 10 dp from the start. For that I used modifier dot padding. Top is equal to 15 dot dp, start is equal to 10 dot dp, and the next property I need this as a bold. For that what we have to do is we need to use the font weight. So that is a attribute font weight is equal to parameter font weight is equal to font weight dot bold. Then I need to change the size of the text. For that we can use font size is equal to 25.sp. Okay, so hope you understand the video. Okay, we will watch I will be coming back up with a new topic. Thank you for watching your